Ni kazi gani dada, ni kazi gani unaweza fanya?
Sindika vizuri.
Mimi naweza fanya kwa government because my bills are high. Ama nikae tu niombeombe venye nimezoea.
Lakini si ile yenye ulifanya.
Ama MP.
Yeah. Sawa. Wewe umesema unasimama kiti. Na kaka engineer?
I think I'll start by apologizing about whatever happened on those previous lives. I know we owe the public apology, and previously we had done it, and again I'll repeat it here, that we are so sorry for the public and for anyone who we offended by that act. And again, I'm so sorry because you also got involved in this. I'm asking you to find a soft spot in your heart so that you can forgive me and her, and find amicable ways to help her regain her account back, because she has promised, and I've also promised, that won't repeat itself again. And I'll also ask, maybe out of this platform, if you can spare me at least 30 minutes of your time, either from Monday to Tuesday, so that we can have at least a coffee, tukijadiliana tu. You can link me with a lot of people. I know you have got so many connections, and out of that I can get somewhere to earn my daily whatsoever.
Yeah, umesema umefanya engineering in?
I'm specified in production, mechanical engineering.
Yeah, I have a brother who is a doctor. I don't want to mention his name in this platform because he's not a media person. He's a doctor and he has a good network. He has done mechanical engineering, undergraduate, masters, and PhD. And he has a good network. He can help you. I also know a number of companies that need your expertise. Especially, there is a company that is doing dealing with gas. How do you call it? This cooking gas. You understand? Yes. I know they need your expertise there. There are a number of companies I know, but again, that's why I want to tell you, my brother, please, let's remember that what we do in the platforms, especially these media platforms, will one day work against us or in our favor. But now that this has happened, let it be the last one happening. And personally, mimi siekangi beef kwa sababu mfanyikazi wa serikali where I work, I'm there to listen to each and every person, to collect each and every person, and to tell people to do the right thing, because we are here to protect the society, to protect our children. I know my sister here, is a parent in one way or the other. And one day, internet, it never forgets. So as you grow, remember, one day this thing will come to haunt you. But since you have accepted and already you have given a public apology to the public, let me say that I'll look for a way to assist you, because sometimes poverty and poverty is what sends people doing these kind of things, being jobless, being idle. If you are busy and you have to wake up to work on the following day, you wouldn't have done what you did. But now, since you are idle and you found yourself, and now as an engineer, you have to do some other engineering work, which is supposed to be done in privacy, and it happened to be in public, let it be the last happening. Please, isifanyike tena. On the other one, again, tafadhali dada yangu, hata kama unafanya kile unachokifanya, remember, one day, ipo siku tuna grow, tuta outgrow social media. Leo TikTok ina trend, kesho kitu kingine itakuja. Kesho itakuwa ni platform ambayo watu wana network wakifanya biashara na kufanya money exchange, trading money and all that. And it might need some serious, you might meet some serious fellows there, some serious people, na wakiangalia waseme kwamba ulifanya hiki, unaweza pata kitu kidogo tu inakuchomea. So ni vizuri, hata niliona there's a lady called how do you call this, who was show, alikuwa anafanya hivi sana. Kuna mwanadada nilimmention, nimesahau jina yake, anafanga miwani, alikuwa anajiingisha mpaka anasikia chupa ama cucumber.
Alisha Kanini.
Achana na huyo. Kuna mwingine alikuwa wa TikTok. Alisha Kanini anafanyanga ujinga yake, anarusha Twitter kila mahali. Alafu Wakenya wana celebrate. Unajua watu wana celebrate to unite. Si ati wanafurahia, ni ile people are idle. We have a number of people are jobless, they will celebrate you. People have time to celebrate the evils. But hebu enda upatiswe leo kwa kanisa uone kama watu watakucelebrate. Nobody will come to celebrate you that you are being baptized. So all these things, people, the same people celebrating you that about what ni Nyako, anaitwa Nyako. The same people celebrating you today on these platforms will be the same people wakati umeitwa interview. Leo hii uitwe interview ya PS ama chief officer mahali. These same people ndio watachukua hizo video wapeleke wakubae usipewe hiyo kazi. That's what happens. Leo wanakucelebrate. Leo hii kuna wale wamenitusi kwamba mimi nimewaingilia niachane nyinyi mkomboka. But the same people, ile siku yenye mtakuwa mnafanya interview mahali, the same people wataandika na watachukua screenshot vizuri sana, watawalima na unapata una trend Twitter bila kulipia bloggers wa kutrendisha. That's how online is. So whatever we do on the media, let's be careful about it. Whatever you want it to remain private, let it remain private, because we are raising a generation. Right now watoto wetu wako kwa mtandao. Hata sasa hivi niko hivi, wangu hajalala wananitegea. Wanaingia online, waona kama baba yao ametoka live ndiye aende kuwaona. So you can imagine, wanaingia alafu wanapatana na nini? Wanapatana na video mtu akifanya tendo la ndoa la wazazi. So si kitu kizuri. Mimi nimefurahia kwamba accept what has happened. The rest we'll see how it can be addressed, but I want to assure you, personally with my network, I'll talk with the friends I know. Askofu will give you my number. You will share your CV. I'll try and talk to a few people to see if we can network you chini ya maji. Now this one will not come up anywhere. I'll keep this one as if this one will not come up anywhere, but I'll share with them. Kama watapatana nayo, you'll know how to explain yourself. But uzuri, you are a man, you know, utajieleza nini ilikutuma hayo yote yafanyike. But all in all, I assure you, I'll talk to a few network I know, and I'll give you their numbers. You share your CV also and follow up with them. Najua utaangukia kitu mahali.